Mabuhay! My name is Fred Doctoso. This is
Jessica.
Cheska. And we're going to go ahead and open this box that was given to us by the Philippine Consulate General, Los Angeles. Thank you so much to Deputy Consul General Ambo, to Consul Dyan, and in a very special way, thank you so much to Cultural Officer Dolor for dropping this off in Carson earlier today. And this is for the Fiesta Filipinas. So we're excited to see what's in here. Alright, so take a look at this. We're gonna open this. You ready? Alright.
I'm gonna pop this. I'm gonna pop this.
Oh, pop it. Yeah, you can pop it.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yes.
There's a lot. It's
Oh,
gonna be a
there's
lot
a
of popping.
I'm gonna help you, okay?
Yes, thank
Ow!
you. Careful.
Ouchie.
Be careful.
Ah.
Alright. So, right here. Look. Wow. Look at the colors, baby. That's a lot of
They're
colors,
girls.
huh?
They're just
So,
girls like me.
it says Panagbenga Festival Kit. This is for Fiesta Filipinas, an online celebration of Philippine
mabuhay.
festivals. Yes. Mabuhay indeed. Let's go ahead and open this up some more. You ready to open it more?
And this painting.
Let's cut this up. Ooh, you ready to see what's inside this box? Jessica, later.
Daddy.
Not yet. She's coloring her nails. Look over here, baby. All right. Ooh, help me. Can you help me open this box? Here.
I can't.
You can't. Oh no! I thought you were my super helper today.
Can we wipe this?
Okay.
And
Wait.
the paper?
Hey, listen. Ooh, look at this. Look what's inside.
What? Oh!
Ooh.
I have to wear this when
Yeah.
Mommy.
Smell. Can you smell anything? Mmm.
Mommy has
What is
to
that?
Mommy has
Dried
to
flowers,
wear
it
it.
looks
Mommy
like.
has to wear it
Yes.
for work.
Oh ho ho. I see. What is this, baby girl? You know what this is?
It's
A bottle and some string. Ooh.
it's string for
You might
a
be
ninja.
baking something. A what? String for a ninja? A ninja or a ninja?
Ninja.
Ninja. Okay. And ooh,
Pretty.
look at all this inside here. Come here, look. Come here.
Wait.
Just look.
I was gonna.
Hey, no, look at this.
Ooh, flowers.
Are those flowers? Let me see. Yes. What does it say? Whoa. Let's open it.
Let's pop it. Let's pop it.
There's more puppets. Okay, wait. Let's open it first so we can read what's inside. Are you excited?
Excuse
Oh, look at
me.
this one. Oh.
Oh, pineapple.
Pineapple and banana and jackfruit. Ooh, it
I
says.
don't like
Look,
jacks.
you don't know what jackfruit is. You haven't tasted it yet.
I
Just
don't
about.
like jacks.
Jesse, later, okay?
Hey,
Watch this first. Hey, you're not
Daddy.
listening. Okay, let's look at
Daddy,
this
I
one.
want
Ooh,
to be pretty.
what is this one? Yeah, you are pretty. Ooh, this is Gourmet Farms.
Daddy.
Benguet Bourbon.
Stop
Wait,
holding me.
let's read this one. It says, oh, so healthy. Jackfruit, pineapple, banana. Ooh, what's this one? Oh, what is this one? And it also says, oh, so healthy.
This is coconut.
Purple yam, banana. Ooh. Wait, I see something.
Ooh, yum.
It's chocolate.
Ooh, I love
Malagos chocolate. Yay.
Dad, come here.
Look at this one. Ooh, there's more.
Ooh.
There's more chocolate. Jesse, later.
Daddy, stop.
Okay, hold this up. Hold this up so we can take a picture together, okay?
Daddy.
Hold these, the chocolate and the flowers. And what else? What else
And
did
the
you
other
get? This
chocolate.
one. And this one.
There's too much
And this
for me.
one.
I can't hold
You
it
can't
all.
hold them all. Yes, you can. I'll help you.
No, I can't.
And there's this one. Is this for your hair? Maybe it's for my hair.
It's for my hair.
Oh, okay.
Didn't it?
All right. So, happy Panangbenga Festival. Thank you so much again to the everyone involved, the Philippine Department of Foreign Affairs, Philippine Embassy, the tourism, and of course, locally here, the Philippine Consulate General of LA. Thank you so much. Mabuhay. Now you're shy. Thank you.